Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to renew your Amazon Prime membership. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now all you need to do is to go right on ahead and open up the Amazon app. And now let me show you that you can't actually renew your Amazon Prime membership through the app, but if we go ahead and go to the three lines on the bottom right, and then we should be able to go into our account right here, and then we're gonna go all the way down until we can see Prime membership. So go right on ahead and click on this, and then as you can see here, it gives you an idea of what Amazon Prime is about. And to be able to join Prime, or to be able to renew your Amazon Prime membership, all you need to do is to visit amazon.co.uk/Prime, or go right on ahead and search for Amazon Prime on your browser. So we'll be switching over to our browser in our mobile phone, and then once that you have loaded that website, you should be able to see something like this. Now all you need to do is to go right on ahead and sign in, and if you already had a Amazon Prime membership, then there will be a button here that allows you to go ahead and renew your Amazon Prime. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.